Alright, so we're going to do this example in our next notes, but down here we're going to do this. So what we're looking at here is actually the limit as delta x approaches 0. And when we say evolution there, we're talking about the evolution of a problem to where it becomes more complicated. So this first one is the one we're supposed to have memorized, the most basic one, that if delta x, or x, sorry, if x is approaching 0, then this ratio will approach 1. Alright, now stepping that up a notch, kicking that up a notch to a little bit more difficult question is this. Now, we need the value to match the angle. And because these are equal to 1, we can take the, so that's why I'm flipping them over here. The sign can be in the numerator or the denominator. Since the ratio is approaching 1, it doesn't matter. So the problem here is that the denominator does not match the angle. So we need this to be 3x. That's not really that challenging because we can multiply this by 3 over 3, which is 1, and then this becomes 3x. And now we have the sine of 3x over 3x matching, and so that equals 1, and then we have the additional 3 that we multiplied by. So this is going to be 3. So that was a little bit more complicated. Now if we move down here to the last one, and we think about what's happening there, we need a 5x up here. We have a 4x. So the 4 is not really helpful. We can factor the 4 out, move it to the side. What we need is a 5 up there. So again, pretty similar to this, just the added difficulty of one more thing there. So I need a 5x up there, so I'm going to multiply by 5 over 5. And I'm going to basically switch the place of these two. So that's going to be 5, and then this will be, I'll factor the 4 out. So I have the 4, and I have the 5 from here, and the limit of the rest of that is 1, so 4/5 times 1 is 4/5.